How do F1 teams manage carbon fiber chassis costs? Imagine building a super lightweight, super strong racing car chassis that can handle the intense forces of Formula One. Sounds expensive, right? Well, teams have clever ways to keep costs in check without sacrificing performance. They start with prepreg carbon fiber, which is carbon fiber fabric pre-impregnated with resin. This material is costly but essential because it makes the chassis both light and tough. To avoid wasting this expensive material, teams use computer-aided design software to cut hundreds of tiny pieces precisely. This way, they minimize waste and make sure every piece is used efficiently. Once cut, these pieces are layered carefully in molds, following detailed guides to ensure the right stiffness and strength. The layers are then sealed using vacuum bagging, which removes air pockets and makes the layers stick tightly together. After that, the chassis is cured in autoclaves, which are high-pressure ovens that bake the parts at high temperatures. This process is labor-intensive and costly, but automation helps reduce labor costs and keeps quality consistent. To save even more money, teams are increasingly using recycled carbon fiber, which comes from waste material from other industries. This recycled fiber has nearly the same strength as new fiber and can be used in less critical parts of the chassis or other car components. This approach cuts down on raw material expenses without hurting performance. Teams also relying heavily on advanced computer simulations to optimize the chassis design. These tools help find the best way to use materials, avoiding overuse and unnecessary costs. By simulating different designs, teams can make smarter choices before building, preventing costly redesigns later. All these methods, precise cutting, efficient layering, recycling, and smart design, work together to manage the high costs of carbon fiber chassis construction. They ensure the chassis meets the strict safety and performance standards of Formula One while keeping expenses under control.